Hello, I am sort of back, and if I've tried to record this too many times, it's late now. I'm tired. So, okay, I've been doing some research into the etymological origins of mathematical words because I'm getting really nerdy about it, and because I'm an academic, I have a tendency to want to look into what other experts have talked about with regard to etymological origins. So, the two authors in these books are pretty consistent with each other, which I like, but they have very different approaches to how they describe the words and their origins. What's nice is at least they're consistent. So English comes from a variety of root languages. And so mathematical terms also having developed, math being developed in multiple countries simultaneously over time, there are multiple root languages for these mathematical terms. And in particular, as is outlined at this book, they're predominantly Latin, Greek, and Arabic roots. So I wanted to start with addition because that's the first operation mathematically that we learn in preschool or in kindergarten generally here. So addition comes from a Latin verb and is effectively the action of giving more to something. And that makes a lot of sense because how do we teach addition? We teach addition by saying like, hey, I put 5 apples in the basket and then I add 2 more apples to the basket. I give 2 more apples to the basket. How many are now in the basket? It's right there in the word. A word that I found more interesting because it particularly people don't like it is algebra. I was very interested in the etymological origins of algebra and in particular because people don't like it. As a class, it's usually where we lose a lot of people in math. And the word is coming from the title of a work that was written around 825 by an Arabic mathematician. And when it's broken apart, it's effectively saying the reunion of broken parts. And this is consistent between the two authors, is basically what they both say. But as I like Stephen Schwartzman's a little bit better, he's talking about the verb that the jabara comes from, which is to reunite or to consolidate. And so for me, when I read this, I kind of go, well, to me, that sounds a lot like a consolidation of parts in the use of algebra. That's what we're doing, is a consolidation of parts. So we use these mathematical operations to consolidate parts in an equation. These are the algebraic manipulations that we do to reach a solution. Algebra is that, the consolidation of parts to arrive at the thing that we actually seek, which I think is beautiful.